This is Zhao Ling. He must save his entire math class from being blown up by the boring math bomb. If he doesn't, his entire class will be stuck with boring math for life. This is because earlier, the malicious Sahil broke into the math class. The malicious Sahil planted the boring math bomb because he is really bad at math and wanted revenge on his entire class. He sends a mysterious call to Zhao Ling, his math rival, to inform him that his class will be doomed to the boring math bomb. Because the malicious Sahil is too scared to face his genius rival Zhao Ling, he takes off, leaving the math class. Zhao Ling receives the mysterious call that informs him a boring math bomb has been planted in Miss Ganey's room. Hearing this call, Zhao Ling begins to panic because his entire class is in danger. He races up the stairs to get to Miss Ganey's room as fast as possible. Zhao Ling has a crucial secret. Unlike the genius malicious Sahil thinks he is, Zhalong is actually very dumb. He mistakenly runs up to the 4th floor because of his low IQ, and must run back down. He runs down the stairs to Miss Ganey's room and hopes he has enough time. He jumps past all the desks, but because he is in a hurry, he doesn't see that the malicious Sahil came back and is watching him at his desk. Investigating the math bomb, he sees that he luckily has 15 hours to stop it, but there is a secret code which makes him panic more. The secret code happens to be Zhao Ling's worst nightmare. He must find the derivative using the quotient rule. He rewrites the equation on the whiteboard above the bomb, but realizes he cannot solve it and panics even more. Using his low intelligence, Zhao Ling writes random equations on the board in an attempt to do something. Zhao Ling feels defeated and wants to give up his math class, likely to be doomed by boring math forever. Over 10 more hours pass before sudden Zhao Ling is pushed by somebody. It happens to be Math Master Mike, who has extremely high IQ. He erases all of Zhao Ling's useless work. Using his high intelligence, he tries to teach the low intelligence Zhao Ling how to solve the derivative. Master Mike rewrites the problem into 2 terms. The top and the bottom are separate terms. He finds the derivative of both terms, and, because 8 is a constant, its derivative is 0. Master Mike shows Zhao Ling that the terms must be multiplied in this order. Zhao Ling rewrites the terms below, but the second set of terms are subtracted because he remembers how to use the quotient rule. He's kinda slow. Luckily for Zhao Ling, multiplying the terms out are easily comprehensible. Zhao Ling writes his final solution and circles it, but he doesn't realize his crucial mistake. Once again, Math Master Mike comes to help the low IQ Zhao Ling. Master Mike adds the final step, which is putting the derivative over the original bottom term squared. Master Mike rewrites the final solution, and he doesn't forget to simplify. With Master Mike's help, they solve the problem and are relieved. There is little time left, and Zhao Ling rushes to enter the secret code. Finally, Zhao Ling thinks he has disarmed the boring math bomb. But then a mysterious man runs in.